Good afternoon, Bat World. Justin here from the Avant-Garde Collection. I wanted to do a walk around video for you guys on our 2024 Cayenne S Coupe. This is a highly optioned car, built specifically for one of our favorite clients here at Avant-Garde. He drove the car 5,000 miles and he's on to the next one. But it's just as nice as the day it came out of the showroom. No paintwork in this car, no PPF on this car. It's just a virgin. And check out this top. They do such a great job with carbon fiber. Porsche does, and it's just a really nice touch on this one. We will do outside pictures as well, but it's just been raining cats and dogs, so we'll have to do them inside our warehouse for now. But we'll get to that. Inside, there's no surprises. Super cool interior. The houndstooth smells just like new inside. Both keys. And yeah, everything you'd hope. So we'll get to the other pictures. We'll get to anything else you might request as well. We're happy to get. So ask in the comments, and we'll do whatever you need to help yourself feel confident in buying a fantastic car like this from us. All right, guys, thanks again.